You're going to create Captain America's shield using Blender. So create a new Blender file, delete everything, then create a new UV sphere. We are going to use less segments and rings. Then we are going to squish the mesh down and scale the top part up a bit. This will give the mesh the shield look. You can adjust the scaling factor however you want. We will scale the inside of the shield up, then we will add a subdivision modifier to make it super smooth. Next we will create the materials. We will first do red, then we will need to add a loop cut in the middle, and then do the silver color ring. Then the center of the shield will be blue. I scaled the shape of the silver ring to be larger, and then underneath the shield will be a darker color. Now we can create a plain mesh. Now we can create a new material and import the star image for the center. Connect alpha to alpha in the node editor, and then change the blend mode to alpha blend so the background is transparent. Then we can move the star roughly into position. And finally, you can add a shrink wrap modifier and adjust the offset to whatever you'd like it to be. And you've created Captain America's shield using Blender. Remember that you can download this 3D model for free right now using the links below. And like and subscribe if this video helps you out. Thanks for watching. See ya.